What's going on, guys? So in today's video we're going to be replacing the bed rail caps on Chomper. We're also going to be removing our bed covers. So yes, I know I am a big fan of bed covers and this one has been pretty convenient, but I just don't like it on this truck. I think it's going to look a lot better with a toolbox. Like Betty White, Baby Squat, they kind of had that sport truck vibe, and I think they look really good with bed covers. I think it looks good, but I think it'll look better with the bed being open and a nice toolbox being on there. I actually stopped and looked at some yesterday. I'm thinking low profile and chrome. I think that's going to be the best look on the truck. I typically go with low profile and black, but I think on this truck it's gonna look good with the chrome toolbox. So y'all let me know though, should I go black, should I go chrome? I don't know. These guys, there's actually a ton of different options that don't look good or supposedly don't fit good. So for the longest time I've been searching, I finally decided on a brand. Hopefully they look good on the truck. We'll have to see. They're a little bit different design than this. Hopefully the wind's not wrecking y'all's life as well, but as you can see, ours is flopping and junk, just doesn't look good. So let's go ahead and start taking this whole thing apart, get the new ones on there. All right, guys, there's a good chance the wind is absolutely destroying y'all. If that is the case, I do apologize. I think I'm gonna end up putting this on Clifford. I think it would be appropriate on Clifford. There we go. Daggone. I'm sure this thing is probably like 10, 15 years old. It's not in the best condition. It's relatively good. It just doesn't have the seal on the end for the tailgate. But dude, I bet this thing was expensive. Like for one, it's got the water drains. You see the tubes up there? So if the water gets pushed forward, like if you have a factory rake, I'm sure you're supposed to put those tubes down in the bed holes so it just drains out underneath it. That's freaking sick. It's got the little arms that lock it, holding it up. Yeah, I bet this was really expensive when it was new. Bed cover is off and I am digging it. We definitely have a lot of cleaning to do. Just years of junk built up underneath there, but yeah, dude, it's nice being able to see in the bed. It's cool. I think it's gonna look even better with a toolbox. Daggum, bud. So let's go ahead and try to start peeling this junk up. Hopefully it doesn't put up too much of a fight. We'll have to see. I'm betting it does. Should just be 3M holding this on, right? There's a little push pin. Ow. Oh, is it push pins all the way down? It is. We're just breaking them. Okay, well, it's dirty, but at least it's not all crazy skin up, paint missing. Yeah, see, someone put some 3M on here trying to hold this down better. Oh yeah, on the inside too. That's gonna be joyous. At least it's on. Wow, okay. Well, good thing we didn't want to reuse it. Just ripped it freaking half. It's got a bunch of 3M. Yeet. Got some rubbing alcohol. I want to get this thing super clean before we go applying our new one. way. Well, she's definitely on there now. I've got the door open behind y'all. I'm hoping that helps with the wind because it is absolutely insane. Get all this dust and dirt off of here. Definitely had a toolbox on it before. Got some holes up here. It's kind of hard to put on there because stretch it over. Well, she's definitely on there. Doesn't come down quite as far as I wish it would. I wish it'd come all the way down to the body. I guess that's just part of it. Not having OEM ones, not gonna fit perfect. But it definitely looks a lot cleaner. All right, guys, well, here she is. Hopefully y'all can hear me over the wind. I'm sorry if you can, it's absolutely insane. But I'm digging it. I think the fitment is subpar, I will admit. I'd say it's probably a, I don't know, 6 out of 10, maybe 5 out of 10. It's just not, the edge, they didn't cut it perfectly straight. I don't know how they do the moldings or whatever, but it's not perfectly straight. It doesn't go completely down the body line like I wish it would. So if you know some that are better than this, feel free to drop a link in the comment section. I'll check them out. I'm not opposed to getting some that are perfect, but I definitely think it cleaned it up a lot. I think it's gonna look super good with a toolbox. Right now it's a little naked, like I said, makes the back portion of the cab look a little large. I think a toolbox makes it absolutely perfect. Yeah, I do like being able to see in the bed. I don't know, just it gives it a more, I don't know, I don't really know how to explain it, but the bed cover looked good, but it gave off a kind of a different vibe. Whereas this, being able to see in the bed, it's just more manly truck, kind of. I don't know, it's weird, like different setups. If I had maybe some wides and some streets on there or something, then, or maybe just wides in general, it would be able to rock the bed cover a lot more. And who knows, I might put it back on there. But I just, you know, want to swap it up, change her up a little bit, and the toolbox I think is going to make it. So I'm thinking low profile chrome, but y'all let me know. I'm open for debate. So anyways, like I said, hopefully y'all could hear anything in this video. It's been absolutely crazy, windy, storms rolling through and whatnot. So if you couldn't, I guess I put subtitles or something. Sorry about that. But anyways, that's gonna be about it for this video. Y'all comment down below. Gonna be getting a toolbox here relatively soon. With that being said, I'm out of here.